The shadow house, a striking example of contemporary architecture, is a testament to the power of simplicity and innovation. This award-winning project, designed and built by its owners, is a bold response to the challenges of urban living and a celebration of minimalist design principles. The project began with the acquisition of a tiny, 38 square metre plot of land in the heart of Camden, London. This seemingly insignificant site presented a unique opportunity to create a bold and impactful architectural statement. The architects, recognizing the site's potential, embarked on a challenging journey to transform it into a functional and inspiring home. The design of the shadow house was heavily influenced by its urban context. The architects sought to create a building that would be both visually striking and sensitive to its surroundings. The dark brick facade, inspired by the industrial heritage of the area, contrasts sharply with the surrounding Victorian architecture. The large expanses of glass, combined with the minimalist interior, create a sense of openness and light. The interior of the house is organized around a series of interconnected spaces, each with its own distinct character. The use of different ceiling heights and levels creates a dynamic and engaging environment. The minimalist material palette, featuring concrete, wood, and glass, enhances the clean lines and modern aesthetic of the house. The architects' hands-on approach to the design and construction process allowed them to exert complete control over every aspect of the project. This DIY approach not only saved costs, but also ensured that the house was built to the highest standards. The shadow house is a remarkable achievement that demonstrates the power of good design to transform even the smallest of spaces. It is a testament to the architect's creativity, ingenuity, and commitment to quality.